This is Kirk at Strutmasters.com. We're doing a rear conversion kit on a BMW 740i. These are the tools you're going to need. You need a 1/2-inch impact gun with impact sockets, a 3/8 ratchet with 3/8 sockets, a couple of wrenches, and a flathead screwdriver. Lift the vehicle, then remove the rear tires. You need to remove the rear seats to access the top of the rear strut. Then you can remove the top strut nuts. Remove some of the fender liner hardware so you can pull it back enough to access the air line at the top of the strut. Then remove the air line. Next, remove the 2 electrical connectors off of the strut. Next, remove the lower strut bolt. Pry the wheel carrier down and pull the strut out. If you're doing this install by yourself, go ahead and take your pry bar, place it where you can pry down on the knuckle and leave the pry bar in place. Then take your new Strutmasters strut, place it in the vehicle. This part's a little tricky. You need to get the top mounting studs into the holes of the vehicle first. Try to use my hand to guide the top mount into one of the holes. Just like so. Now, while holding the strut, press down on your pry bar to line that bottom bolt hole up, and it should hold itself in place. Then you can take your bottom bolt and tighten the bottom of the strut. Make sure you tie your electrical connectors up and out of the way of any moving parts. Using the supplied hardware with the strut, place a washer and a nut on each mounting stud. Tighten them all down. Next, you can reinstall your wheel.